Hey guys, it's SteamMan21, and today we are going to be playing and speedrunning Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Now this is a game on Roblox, and it's got like a billion different endings, and today we're gonna get them all. And pretty sure there's also some secret endings, but let's get into it. Now I have played these games before, so yeah, kind of know what I'm expecting, but. Yeah, it's a pretty good game. You guys should definitely check it out if you play Roblox sometimes, like I do. So yeah, I'm interrupting your sleep to say that you are starving. You appear to be waking up due to your starvation. Okay. You honestly can't sleep in this condition, so advise getting a late night snack. Just be sneaky about it, okay? Now, it has actually been a while since I've played this game, so I might not remember some of the things from it. Alright, we start with no cash, no statues, and it is 4 a.m. Great. That's good. Alright. So we press E to interact with things. I'm not gonna wake him up. See, I'm just gonna check the kitchen. And, yeah. Oh. Pick up, please do not.
Hey, yo, it's Ace back again with another game of video.
Oh, it's that guy.
Looks like
It's
we are going to play a game called Get
orange.
a Snack at 4 a.m. Whoa! Oh, good thing it's not at 3 a.m. That's when all the creepy stuff happens, right?
Alright,
Hey,
well.
welcome,
looks-
Tutti Frutti 9000. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. It's me, your self-conscious.
Okay, well, looks like I got that first ending. I sort of took over the video there, but I got the first ending, orange. Pick up the orange. Now, I think I saw a bag of chips, so I'm gonna try getting that. Alright. Now I just gotta take it back to my bed, and I'll eat it there.
Yummy.
There we go. And I'm now asleep. Here we go. I think that's the main ending. He successfully went to sleep. There we go. Alright, we're like 3 minutes in and we already got 2 endings, which is pretty good, I'd say. Now I'm gonna explore the house a little bit more. Yeah. So there's a TV here. Thank God that is labeled. I had no idea that was a carpet. Thank God for that. Yeah. I'm gonna ignore that. So yeah, not really much else, but I think you drink the toothpaste is one of the ending. It's been a while since I played this game. I was correct. I drank the toothpaste and now I'm dead. Now I'm gonna start getting money and I'm gonna like get more of the endings, you know. Is that a Glock? I do not remember that. Oh, that's gonna take forever to pick up, isn't it? Alright guys, I'm back. We almost have the gun and for some reason the gun requires 100 cash to pick it up. Okay, I guess I'll find 100 cash. There's $3 here. Oh, I can look around like that? Oh damn, that's so much better. Alright, halfway there. I think there's some cash in the fridge. Oh, we can't look around like that anymore. But yeah, there's some like ominous music playing in the background. Out of order, feed me sodas. I'll do that later. How do I... There we go. Once I come here with the gun, should I just shoot that guy? We no longer sell toothpaste and orange juice together due to the amount of people buying them and consuming them both. Don't do this unless you're in a video game. Definitely not a hint. So yeah, I've done that in real life. It is actually it's pretty like you don't feel good when you do that. But yeah, I'm gonna do that later though. I gotta come up with $12 though, so that I can get the gun, you know? Like, oh my goodness! I need $2 more. There we go!
Congratulations!
Ooh! Well, the Super Smash Bros. Sound effect just played. I think that was Smash Bros. Yeah, wait, before I do that, I just want to check something. So it's now 4:54. I've spent an hour doing that, but it's only been like 10 minutes here in real life. So yeah, that would have been really bad. Just kidding, the gun wasn't even real? Oh my god, I just wasted so much time. Anyways, what was it telling me, like, definitely don't do this? Oh right, I'm gonna get all the sodas, and I'm gonna feed it to the vending machine. He's got 30 seconds left, so let's break. $15 for a can of soda? Damn, inflation really is something these days. Oh, guess it's break time. Wait, you're not gonna help me? Wait, can I just like walk out here? Yo, he does not care that I just stole from the store. Don't steal, kids. It's really bad. Okay? You will go to jail if you steal. Days without accidents is 0. Damn. I mean, I don't know what the hell that is, but that looks like... Yeah, and also the shelves are over there like that. Oh, what the hell? Vending machine seems happy. Okay, a creepy sound just played and now it's like beeping. Alright. You feel timelines shifting. Oh, what does this do? Alright, well, I mean, now that he's on his break, I can just walk in here with the orb. The orb disappears and... What was the point of that? I'm on break and I'm going to be on break for an indefinite amount of time. If you wanted to buy something, you should have came earlier. Okay, well, I mean, I can just, like... take something, I guess? I don't know. But yeah, being on break for an indefinite... I don't know how that guy's not fired. Alright, so, yeah. I guess I'll just check the time on this thing. But right now it's around 8 o'clock in real life. And in the game, it is 6 a.m., bro. The hell? It is not 4 a.m. anymore, it's like 6 a.m. And I heard that if you stay awake for long enough, you get like a secret ending called Insomnia. Wait, what was that? What was that? You guys saw that, right? It said, had some like message saying like, this world is very strange. Also, why is there like green gas over there? What the hell? Two-dimensional car. Yeah, there's like weird green gas everywhere. And also it's starting to become daytime. Alright, well I should probably get an ending pretty soon, because like I said, I'm trying to speedrun this game, so... Yeah, but I can't really think of any ending to get. Oh, I could try the orange juice toothpaste ending. Or maybe... Okay, so it goes 12 seconds in the... 1 second in the game is 12 seconds in real life. See, I could... Wait. Oh, sparkly. Alright. I'm gonna do the breakfast. Breakfast only. It looks like the sun's starting to rise. Let me check this. Oh, what the? It's daytime. Secret ending. Insomnia. You took too long to do anything. Alright. Well, now that that's done with, I can actually start to get the real endings. Insomnia, alright. Here's a quick little ending that I completely forgot about until now. I can just take that
Yummy.
and eat it right away. How do I... Wait. There we go. I just eat it right away. I forgot about it until like now. If I try to go back to sleep, he won't let me. Because like that's... I could hear you well. Okay. Dad got mad because I ate the chips in the middle of the night. Hi, if you're seeing this, I've successfully managed to generate my thoughts into objects you can see. Since I can't actually speak directly, each timeline has one of these notes in it. Can you find them? Oh, that must have known what the orb did. Okay. I did not walk in here. Okay, so if I interact with the orb again, it will shift the timelines again, meaning that I can get to the next timeline and find the next piece of... I'm also going to try and collect all these notes. Yeah, I've been playing the game for around 20 minutes now, and what was it? I've only gotten like 4 endings, so I gotta lock in and hurry the hell up. Alright, next up I'm gonna do like the Oh, I remember that. I'm gonna do that later though. I'm not gonna do that now. I'm gonna get the breakfast first, and then I'll do that. Oh wait. Thank you. And he gave me a ton of money. $45. Shift the timelines again. Hey, did you really just throw away a store item right in the trash? Yes. What's wrong with you? Nothing. I am perfect. You sure you want to buy this orange juice? It'll cost you $30. The prices in this game are insane. Just like in real life, bro. Like, I swear, dude. Inflation will really be ruining. Okay, did you guys just see that? So, I guess just when I open doors, it can just randomly play a message. So, yeah, keep track of what they say. Now time to buy the eggs. Right, my bad. $25 for an egg. It costs like half of that in real life. Wait, whoa. What's it? This is my car, cashier. That wasn't there before. Interact. Haha, you egged the cashier's. I did not mean to do that. I didn't even know I could do that. What? Oh damn, it's got an egg there now. I don't have enough money to buy another egg. So I gotta find another one. I genuinely did not know I could do that. Alright, so I gotta get how many more? So it's $25 for a pack of eggs, so I need $7 more. Now $5 more. Here we go. Although I kind of want to see the cashier's reaction when he goes out on his break and sees that his car got egged. Which I didn't even know I could do that. He's got 87. Oh no! Oh, I can't buy anything. Oh man. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna like do something for. Well, the song's changed. So I guess I'm just gonna do something for a minute, and I'll see his reaction, because I wanna see his reaction. Out of order due to being too cold. Oh no. Guys, remember, you don't want to have too cold ice cream, because that's how brain freezes happen. Oh. Doesn't seem to care. Yo, it's not letting me talk to him. Okay. Oh, what do I... Now what? Where did this take it? Oh wait, the orange juice and toothpaste thing. I should try that right now. I don't want to get the insomnia ending again. Oh. Okay, he does not care that I egged his car, but people will, so don't egg people's cars. Oh wait, yeah, the orange juice was over here. Orange juice and then toothpaste, was it? Oh, damn! Oh, wait. Alright. Oh, it's this guy. Wait, you're here? Welcome, D-Man21XXX. It was quite the remarkable death. It was very unfortunate. Have you heard of the legend? Drinking orange juice, then putting toothpaste in your mouth is supposed to be very painful to your taste buds. Really? I had no clue. You shouldn't try that. Yeah, guys, don't try that. Anyway, the amount of sheer pain transported you to dimensions beyond death. And that lady here, that's crazy. You could say you're in a type of limbo. I like to call it the void. Oh, like the new Marvel movie. Who exactly am I, you ask? My name is Dummy. Duh, can't you see it on top of my head? Oh, right, because everyone has their names on top of their head. What, do you want to know my purpose as well? Well, you see, there are a few things you can do in this game, if you could tell. Really? I didn't know that. If you ever get stuck or confused, you can come back here and I'll tell you about these endings. I mean, I might need help, but yeah. Kinda ironic, cause it may have been confusing to get here in the first place, haha. Anyways, I also kinda need you to get all of these endings. I will do that. Don't ask why you need to, I was just told you needed to. And who told you I needed to? I know it sounds like a hassle, but it shouldn't take that long. Okay. I'll give you your orange juice and toothpaste ending now. Nice. Come back here when you get all of them. Okay. Ultra Death. That's crazy ending.